If the terminal side of angle of measure theta in standard position intersect the unit circle at the point -3/5 and 4/5. -3/5 represents the cosine, 4/5 represents the sine. Type. Find first sine 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means the third quad, and in third quad the sine will be negative. Finally, it will be negative sine theta. Type. How to get sine theta from the ordered pair sine theta equal 4/5. Finally, it will be negative 4/5. Cosine 90 minus theta. 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means the second quad. That means you are in second quad. The sign of cosine, it will be negative. Cosine will be negative, right? Finally, and cosine with 90 degrees, we convert it into sine. So cosine 90 plus theta, it will be negative sine theta. Negative because in second quad cosine will be negative, and sine because cosine will be changed into sine in 90 case. In case of 90 degree, sorry. Finally, it will be negative 4/5. What about tan theta minus pi? Of course, pi means 180 degree, and to change the angle, I'm going to add 360. It will be theta minus 180 plus 360. Finally, it will be 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means the third quad, and in third quad tan will be positive quantity. Finally, it will be tan theta. How to get tan? It will be y over x or sine over cosine. Finally, it will be negative 4/3. If the terminal side of the angle of measure theta in standard position intersect the unit circle at the point -5/13 and 1. Fine. And theta belong to closed interval 180 to 170. First, let's draw the triangle. We should apply, or we can apply the property of sine square plus cosine square equal 1, or draw the triangle. As we know that the x coordinate represent the cosine of the angle. So cosine equal adjacent over hypotenuse. That means the adjacent equal 5 and the hypotenuse equals 3. Using Pythagoras, we can find the third side. Then 180 to 270, that means theta lie in third quad. In third quad, tan is the only positive ratio, of course, tan and cotan, right? Then find the main trigonometric and the reciprocal of them. Sine theta will be negative 12/5. Over 13. Cosine theta will be negative 5/13. Finally, tan theta will be 12/5. He need to find first cotan 270 minus theta plus tan 90 minus theta minus cosine theta minus 180. First, let's simplify the following. Cotan 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta, that means you are in third quad. Cotan with 270, it will be changed into tan theta. Then tan 90 plus theta, this is the second quad. In second quad, the tan is negative, and the tan with 90, it will be changed to cotan theta. So finally, it will be negative cotan theta minus cosine theta minus 180. Let's add 360 to the angle. Finally, it will be cosine 180 plus theta. Type. How to find the value of tan theta from the triangle? It will be 12/15 minus cotan theta. It will be 5/12. Finally, you can simplify cosine 180 plus theta. This is third quad. Third quad cosine means negative, and it will be negative cosine theta. And finally, I can see that it's cosine theta. Negative cosine theta means Negative cosine theta means positive cosine theta. Finally, it will be positive, and cosine theta equal negative 5 over 13. Finally, the answer equal 1247 over 780. If sine theta equals 3 over 5 and theta belong to close the interval 90 to 180, find. Before we start, let's draw the triangle. As we said before, sine equal opposite over hypotenuse. We can find the third side using Pythagoras. It will be 4, and also I can apply the identity of sine square theta plus cosine square theta equal 1. In second quad, sine is always positive. Then we can find sine theta, it will be 3 over 5. Cosine, it will be negative 4 over 5. Tan, it will be negative 4 over 3. He needs to find sine 180 minus theta plus tan 90 minus theta minus cosine 270 minus theta. Let's simplify first. Sine 180 minus theta. This is the second quad. Sine 180 minus theta will be sine theta. And tan 90 minus theta, first quad, it will be cotan theta, tan with 90 degree, minus cosine 270 minus theta, cosine with 270, it will be sine, and this is the third quad, it will be negative sine theta. Finally, I can substitute, instead of sine theta, it will be 3 over 5 plus negative 3 over 4 minus negative 3 over 5. That will be equal finally negative 3 over 4. Solve the equation sec x minus root 2 equal 0, and x belong to close the interval from 0 to 360. First, find the value of sec, it will be root 2, and of course the cosine will be the reciprocal of root 2, it will be 1 over root 2. Then cosine theta is a positive value, right? Cosine is positive in first and fourth quad. Let's find the value of x, cosine x, I'm sorry. I'm going to inverse cosine minus 1, or shift cosine 1 over root 2. Finally, it will be 45. So the angle in first quad will be 45, but in fourth it will be 360 minus 45 equal 315. Both of them are inside the interval, so the solution set equal 45 and 315. Find the solution set or solve. 2 sine x plus 1 equals 0, and the x belong to close the interval from 0 to 360. First, try to find the value of sine x. 2 sine x will be equal to negative 1. Then sine x will equal negative half. Try to find the value of x, but considering that sine x equal 1 over 2. So I'm going to find sine minus 1 over 2, or shift sine 1 over 2. It will be 30 degree. Sine is negative, right? Sine will be negative in third or fourth quad. In third quad, it will be 180 plus 30 equal to 110. Fourth will be 360 minus 30 equal 330. Both of them are in the interval, so the solution set equal to 110 and 300. If sine alpha, solving equations with sine and cosine, or sec and cosec. If sine alpha equal cosine beta, or sec equal cosec, that means the sum of the two angles means alpha plus beta equal 90, or the difference between them alpha minus beta equal 90. Start with angle of sine. Start with angle of sine, that means alpha is your beginning. If you need to find the general solution for the equation sine equal cosine or sec equal cosec, that means first the sum of the two angles alpha plus beta equal 90 plus 360n, and or alpha minus beta equal 90 plus 360n. Or I can say that alpha plus or minus beta equal pi over 2 minus 2 pi n. Also, if tan alpha equal cotan beta, That means the sum of the two angles equal 90. To find the general solution for the equation, tan equal cotan, alpha, that means finally alpha plus beta equal 90 plus pi n, or pi over 2 plus pi n. Find the solution set or solve the equation in the interval, closed interval 0 to pi. Cosine theta plus 4 equals sine 3 theta plus 2. If we need to find one solution, I'm going to say that the sum of the two angles equal 90. But if I need to find the general solution or all the values of theta, I'm going to say that the sum or difference between them equal 90 plus 360n. Let's see the general solution first. The sum of the two angles equal 90 plus 360n. That means theta plus 4 plus 3 theta plus 2 equal 90 plus 360n. Then 3 theta plus theta equal 4 theta plus 6 equal 90 plus 360n. Then try to find the value of 4 theta. It will be 90 minus 6 means 84 plus 360n. Divide all terms by 4. Finally theta will be 21 plus 90n. To find the value of theta inside the interval, first put n equal 0. That means theta will be equal 21. Then n equal 1. That means theta equal 21 plus 90. Finally it will be 111. N equal 2. That make theta equal to 101. This is out of the interval, so I'm going to refuse the last solution. Go to the negative solution. That means the difference between them will be 90, and start with angle of sine. That means 3 theta plus 2 minus theta plus 4 equal 90 plus 360n. Finally 3 theta minus theta equal 2 theta. 2 minus 4 equal negative 2 equal 90 plus 360n. Finally I can say that 2 theta equal 92 plus 360n. Finally divided by 2, it will be 46 plus 180n. Try to find the value of theta. First put n equal 0 and 1. First n equal 0 means theta equal 46, and when we put it equal 1, theta equal 224 out of interval, so refuse the last one. Finally I can see that if I need to find the solution set, it will be 21, 111 and 44. But if we need the general solution, it will be 7 pi over 60 plus pi over 2n. This is the first solution. I'm going to change 21 into rad and also 46 into rad. Okay. Find the general solution of the equation cotan 4 theta plus 8 equal 10, 2 theta plus 4 if theta belongs to from 0 to 90 closed interval. That means the sum of the two angles equal 90 plus 180n. So 4 theta plus 2 theta equal 6 theta plus 12 equal 90 plus 180n. That means finally 6 theta equals 78 n, 78 plus 180n divided by 6, it will be 13 plus 30n. Try to find it in radian form. It will be 13 over 180 pi plus pi over 6n. Finally I can say that if n equals 0, that makes the first angle equal 13 plus 0 equal 13, and then if n equal 1, that makes theta equal 43. This is inside the interval, but in case of n equal 2, that makes theta equal 73 and n equal 3 equal 113. This is out of interval or refuse. Finally the solution set, if we need to find the solution set, it will be 13, 43, 73. Solve or find the general solution of tan 2 theta minus 18 equal cotan theta plus 18, and theta belongs from 0 to open interval from 0 to 90. First, if tan equal cotan, that means the sum of the sum of the two angles equal 90, and if we need the general solution, it will be 90 plus 180n. That makes 2 theta minus 18 plus theta plus 18 equal 90 plus 180n. 2 theta minus theta equal 2 theta plus theta, sorry, equal 3 theta. Negative 18 plus 18 finally equals 0. 3 theta equal 90 plus 180n. Dividing by 3, theta will be 30 plus 60n. And of course I can change it into, or I have to change it into rad, pi over 6 plus pi over 3 n. To find solutions, first put n equal 0. That means theta will be equal 30, and if we put n equal 1, that means theta will be 90, and this is out of interval. It's open interval from 0 to 90. Finally, I can say that the solution set equal 30 if we need to find the solution set.